You're watching how we prepare chillers for sale at Evroprom. This is where we give them a second life. First, we give them a thorough wash, inside and out, removing any dirt or buildup that could affect the unit's appearance, condition, or performance. Next up, condenser cleaning. These are the lungs of the heat exchange process, releasing heat and helping regulate the temperature of the compressor. Then comes a full diagnostic check. We test each chiller against 7 key parameters: refrigerant pressure, heat exchanger temperatures. Is the temperature differential perfectly within range? Excellent. Compressors, startup, current levels, and stability. We check that the heart is beating strong. Inverters and electrical equipment, electronic and thermostatic expansion valves, opening as they should, maintaining optimal superheat, hydronic module and flow switches, running smoothly and precisely. And after that, whatever else is needed. We clean heat exchangers, straighten coil fins, replace filters, oil. Everything is tailored to your order. Once the chiller has passed all tests, we pack it and ship it straight to your location, whether it's in Europe, Asia, or Africa. Evroprom is Europe's largest center for the renovation and sale of used and outlet chillers. We know exactly how to prepare equipment to serve you as reliably as brand new units. Proven on hundreds of chillers in dozens of countries. Evroprom, all chillers brand in one place.